Ready to unlock the emotional core of AI and create experiences that truly resonate? Today, we're diving deep into Higgsfield Soul, exploring how to move beyond basic functionality and build genuine emotional connections with your audience first. Let's navigate to the personalization settings within the Higgsfield dashboard. You'll find this typically under User Preferences or Account Settings. Here, you'll start crafting a detailed user profile. Think beyond demographics, input specific interests, core values, and even emotional triggers. This information fuels Higgsfield Soul's ability to tailor interactions. Next, use Higgsfield's content creation tools. Notice the emotional tone sliders. Experiment with these. Adjust the levels of joy, sadness, urgency, or curiosity to inject the desired feeling into your message. Imagine crafting a marketing campaign for a charity. Use the empathy slider to amplify the emotional impact. Don't just guess, leverage it. Be testing creative versions of your content, one with a heavier focus on emotional connection and the other with a more traditional approach. Analyze the results to see which resonates better with your target audience. The goal is to build campaigns and stories that feel authentic and human. By understanding the nuances of Higgsfield's tools and applying them thoughtfully, you can move past simple functionality and create experiences that leave a lasting impression. So go ahead. Start exploring the soul of AI within Higgsfield.